What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you guys how to fix the domain verification issues in the Brevo. So for that, the process is very simple, easy and to the point. So if your domain is hosted on the Cloudflare, just search Cloudflare and then you will see there is an option for the automatic fix. If you don't see the option and if the thing don't fix itself, then you can come back over here and see the transactional setting. We can do it manually. So in the manual section, there are SMTP records. You have to add the SMTP records in the Cloudflare, where you have to create a record where name it SMTP server, add the SMTP server, URL, then port name, then login credentials, all that. When you create this instance, then you'll be able to verify the records. Click on the next when you do so, and then it will wait for the log. Once it come here, it will automatically verify it, and once it's been verified, then you can click on it works. That way your domain verification will be done seamlessly. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.